Hello everyone, nice to have you all back for another episode of our 107 channel. Today's topic, running rough, misfiring. V8, 3.5 liter, 8 cylinders, beautiful sound, an engine well balanced with next to no vibrations and a respectable torque, provided it is running smoothly. The owner commissioned this beauty to me to have a look what is wrong with it. We will have a look why the car is idling this way. These V8 usually run smooth as silk. But before that I would like to take you for a tour around the car. In my opinion, I think this is a wonderful, timeless, ageless color, smoke silver with some Bordeaux interior. My kind of girl. We start by taking her on the lift to have a look underneath. After that we pop the bonnet and have a look underneath there. Check compression of all 8 cylinders, fuel pressure, clogged injectors. Maybe we find the culprit quite soon. I'll take you for a tour right after the introduction. We have a look inside, a stick with 4 speeds, rather rare, no power windows, neither front nor rear, but equipped with a sliding roof and this quiet tasteful red. Let us inspect her from underneath. Well, some rust here at this reinforced crossmember for towing trailers. Well, it is surface corrosion, nothing really serious. Exhaust pipes and mufflers need replacement. They are completely shot. Rusty rear spring at the differential. Exhaust has been welded several times at many places. It has to go completely. No use of more welding. Need a new one from front to aft. Shock absorbers and domes, wheel arches, well, hopefully only surfaced rust. At the frame here, corrosion protection is peeling off. This definitely will be part of the to-do list. Oh gosh, a water trap triggering corrosion. I will have a look with the endoscope to see how bad it is on the inside. Well, not so bad after all, no write-off at all. Front right hand side wheel arch, easy to spot, some welding has been done. I'll take off the liners to have a look underneath, hope it won't be a surprise. Let us have a look underneath. Disconnecting the temperature sensor of the air inlet. Give me a dime for every time I have removed the air filter housing. Right, we start by testing compression of all 8 cylinders. Next we check all cables leading to the spark plugs, testing resistance and cracks in the insulation. Alright, We unbolt the spark plugs one by one for compression tests. This topic was mentioned in another video using this tool from BGS, which I find very useful, especially when you are on your own in the workshop. It really is worth the money spent. I'll include a link to the previous video dealing with my 2.8 with the M130 engine with 6 cylinders. I also include a link to the pressure gauge of BGS. Make sure the engine has a temperature of around 80 degrees Celsius or 170 Fahrenheit. With this BGS compression test tool comes along an adapter to fit two sizes of diameters of threads and a prolongation. We'll have to use a prolongation to bridge the distance, provided I don't drop it. You deserve it. Now crawl underneath and get it. Hope I have tightened it up all right. In anticipation to know how it works out, I attach the gauge now. Some 8.5 bar, close to a 9 bar, not bad at all, at least at this cylinder here. Let's do the other 7. All 8 injectors have been removed, all 8 had a dive in the ultrasonic pool for cleansing. We now press brake cleaner through the 8 injectors. Unexpectedly, out of the blue, we found the culprit. It took me a while to eliminate misfiring. Controlling the spark plugs was at the very bottom of my checklist. Wrong sparks, too much of a gap from copper core to the tip, therefore irregular sparks, therefore misfiring. I now use the right sparks. The engine is running smooth as silk. While we are around here, with the air filter housing being removed, we checked the fuel pressure. I'll show you how to do that. I have bridged the fuel line between pressure valve and flow divider to attach my pressure gauge right in between. This regulating valve to alter fuel pressure is right here. Do not play around with that, a very expensive part to replace. At the rear end is a nut to be turned to alter the fuel pressure.
Benzindruck hier da liegt.
Slightly above 2 bar pressure, which ends up at the flow divider and being sent to the injectors. No alternations needed, no improvement necessary. Fuel pressure is just perfect. We have changed the spark plugs, I proudly say, here. We could be doing some fine tuning with the injection control unit, which is sitting right here. We have improved ignition timing. We have also completed the compression tests. Compression may vary from 1 to 1.5 bar from factory settings due to wear and tear. We got some 9 to 9.5 bar on all cylinders, which is perfectly alright for this mileage and age of this car. Manual says 10 to 10.5 bar. We are a little below and just alright. It's perfect. I'm happy. Thank you for watching our little presentation of this car that came to our shop with this V8 3.5 liter engine. We also do repairs of these models. Hope to have you around again next time. Bye bye everybody.